What is going on, you guys? Welcome to my channel. In today's video I got a Nissan 350Z getting wrapped in this Vinylfrog called Glossy Metallic British Racing Green. Alright, so what am I doing with this 350Z? So definitely going to be including Bondo and primer. I got to fix the quarter panel, I got to fix a couple other little things, but let's begin with this side skirt. It is crooked and I am not giving him the car with this side skirt being crooked, so I got to fix that. Now the quarter panel on this side, there's Bondo being used, and it was, by the looks of it, not flexible Bondo, which means that when there's no flexible Bondo being used, you get these results, a cracked Bondo. And I'm definitely not going to be wrapping it like this because the line will be shown through the vinyl wrap, and so we're going to fix this. So the way I'm going to fix it, I'm going to be using Bondo, but it's going to be flexible Bondo, and I'm going to have to redo all of this stuff. I got to sand down this, make sure it's even, not shown through the wrap. There's a little dent, I guess, by the looks of it. Looks like a little dent. I gotta fix that. A couple little things, you know what I'm saying? I mean, we're gonna make this car look flawless. And luckily, I have one of these cars, so I know them really well. On the driver's side, it's literally the same thing with the side skirt. It's flapping around. I gotta straighten it out, make sure it's Gucci. The bumper is gonna be cut just how I had it on my car, so I'm gonna cut it. And with the quarter panel, there's a dent. Probably you guys already noticed and wondering what I'm gonna do with it. Well, obviously I'm going to try and fix it and make sure it's looking Gucci on this side, and both sides got to look Gucci. This car got to look different how it is right now, so we're going to get to it. I'm going to update you guys, and besides that, the trunk, the A-pillar, and the roof is perfectly fine, so that's pretty cool. It's all going to be hit with one color, the Vinylfrog color, Glossy Metallic British Racing Green, and it's going to look dope, so let's get to it. And that's it for the Z. So I completed it. I'm gonna actually explain to you guys how I got the quarter panels finished. But the car is complete and it looks insane. I mean, literally looks crazy. Like, you guys probably don't even recognize it. So let's get to the quarter panels, because that's really the most important part. So remember this part right here. Remember there was a dent. You don't see a dent at all. I did my best that I could to prevent it from being visible when you wrap it, especially wrapping, and it actually worked. I'm really happy that it did, and I did cut the bumper in the back. Now onto this side quarter panel. There was a problem right here. Remember there was Bondo breaking off, and there was a line right here and whatnot. Well, you don't see that line whatsoever now. This part is like not closing. I guess you gotta get a new what is it, the little actuator that releases the fuel lid, but it's broken off on the tip. It's pretty common on these Z's, but yeah, ask me how I know. I own one of these cars, and I'm happy that I made this particular 350Z look freaking beautiful. Like, yo, I did the side mirrors also in this color, and the roof, man, the roof was a problem. Let's just say I peeled the paint right there, had to put extra work into making it not visible when I wrap it second time, and it came out freaking insane, like paint. Yo, this is crazy. So yeah, that's what I do. I make cars look like this. You guys remember how it was? Now you see it how it is right now, and it's day and night. Crazy transformation right here. So he is picking it up today in literally about 2 hours, and he is not going to be ready for this car. I'm going to film the reaction video. I want to see what he's going to say. He's most likely going to ask me like, bro, bring me my car back. But I'm going to be like, bro, this is your car. You know what I'm saying? Like, he ain't going to recognize it for real. That hood came out so freaking good. There was so many problems right here. There was a dent right here and a dent right here and a bunch of little dents right there, and I patched it all up. Look at this. Look at this. This is crazy. This is crazy. So yeah, stay tuned, you guys. All right, here you go. He's gonna be excited to see it. Let's see what you say. I don't know what you're gonna say, but I hope it's good.
It's a whole lot better than what it was before.
By that bumper cut and everything. Yeah, and then the front, this part right here was crazy because I had a little like swirls.
Yeah.
So
Dude, it looks good.
yeah, it came out really good.
It's a whole new car.
Came out really, really good. There you guys have it. He's excited. The car is brand new, literally. He hasn't been expecting this kind of result. Look at this. It does have a welded diff, so that's why it's going to be making that noise. It's going to be a slider. It's going to be a slider. Got that Z, got my Z, got the vet. Yes, sir.
It looks good. It looks good.
Hell yeah.
I'll tag you and everything.
Say you're gonna tag me and everything. Transformation right here, yo. I'm glad he's happy.
Yeah, happy customer.
Yes, sir.
And thank you, Proper.wraps.
Same bumper, so it's getting that bash part by Fab Speed. Same thing on this car, and that's it, really. That's it. But that's it for this video. Like, subscribe, comment, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.